How to activate Spectrum Internet Modem. Activating your Spectrum Internet Modem is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. First step is gather your equipment. You can also use My Spectrum app for a guided mobile experience or visit the official self-installation activation portal. Before you begin, ensure you have all necessary equipment ready. This includes your Spectrum modem, power adapter, coaxial cable, and Ethernet cable. Step 2 is connect your modem. Take the coaxial cable and connect one end to the cable outlet in your wall and the other end to the back of your modem. Then plug the power adapter into the modem and connect it to a power outlet. Step 3 is power the modem. Once everything is connected, turn on your modem by pressing the power button if it has one. Wait for the modem to fully power up. This may take a few minutes. The lights on the modem should indicate that it is ready. By a pro tip, if the modem status light flashes for more than 20 minutes, it may be performing a critical firmware update. Do not unplug it during this time. Step 4 is activate your modem. Using a computer or mobile device, connect to a modem's Wi-Fi network or use an Ethernet cable to connect directly. Open a web browser and you should be redirected to the Spectrum activation page. If not, you can visit the Spectrum activation website directly. After that, follow the on-screen instructions, enter the required information such as your account details and the modem's CA address, which can be usually found on the sticker on the modem. Follow the prompts to complete the activation process. Once you have completed these steps, your Spectrum Internet service should be activated and ready to use. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.